Ford's driver assist technology and new camera system makes parking simpler. Your vehicle may have sensors at the front, back and sides of the vehicle. These alert you when you are getting too close to exterior objects. The Sync 4 screen gives you multiple views to make parking easier, with a wide-angle reverse camera and on some models a 360 top-down view and a front camera. The reverse camera uses directional proximity lines that move with your steering direction. You can also zoom in for a closer look. Where fitted, the 360 view uses 4 cameras around the vehicle to create a live bird's eye view. And the front-facing camera helps you get out of a tight spot. Park Assist lets the vehicle essentially park itself. This works in both parallel and perpendicular spaces. To find a park, first, press the Park Aid button on the center console. Then activate Parking Assistance on the Sync 4 screen. Sync 4 will give you 3 options: Parallel Park In, Perpendicular Park In, and Parallel Park Out for when you're leaving. For a parallel park, choose Parallel Park In. Now, turn your indicator on towards the direction you want to find a park. Drive past the spot approximately 1 meter away from other parked vehicles while searching. Then, when the active Park Assist has measured the spot, you'll hear a chime to stop the vehicle. Keep your foot on the brake and shift into neutral. Then, let go of the steering wheel. Press and hold the Park Aid button. Keep holding it down throughout the entire park. Release the brake, and your car will now start to park itself. You can slow down at any time by pressing the brake. Pause by releasing the Park Aid button, and stop the system at any time by shifting out of neutral. Once the vehicle has maneuvered into the right position, the car will automatically shift into park, so you can stop pressing the button. Your automatic park is complete. To exit a parallel park, press the Park Aid button and select Parallel Park Out on the Sync 4 screen. Keep your foot on the brake and shift into neutral, then let go of the steering wheel. When it is safe to do so, turn on your indicator to the direction you wish to exit the park. Then, press and hold the Park Aid button while releasing the brake pedal. The vehicle will maneuver its way out of the park to give you enough room to exit fully. Remember, you can slow down at any time by pressing the brake. The system will tell you when to take control of your vehicle again, shift into drive, and prepare to exit the park safely. Next time you find yourself in a tight spot, let some of Ford's parking technology help you.